Tliet serati miżgħuda b'koreografija kontemporanja spettakolari ser jikkommemoraw kapitlu ġdid fl-istorja żagħżugħa tal-Kumpanija Nazzjonali ta' Żfin Maltija, Żfin Malta, taħt id-Direttur Artistiku ġdid il-Brittaniku Matthew William Robinson.
Inherited a group of really brilliant dancers who were here already, and I've also brought in some dancers that I have chosen. They're an amazing team to work with, and I'm really excited for the journey ahead. We're going to be working on big national projects, things that will happen here in Malta that will engage a range of different audiences and hopefully invite new audiences in to see our work, and then also work on our international profile.
Żfin Days 2025 bejn il-21 ta' frar sa' 2 ta' Marzu ser jikkonsistu fi 3 wirjiet, il-kol fil-Valletta Campus Theatre. Somiljanza b'koreografija ta' Mattia Russo u Antonio De Rosa Corsia hija omaġġ allegrus u ironiku lejn kreazzjoni leġendarja tal-koreografu Niensu u l-baler rinomat l-après-midi d'Anfon, b'domandi dwar is-simbolizmu fis-soċjetajiet moderni. Ignis, ħuġġiġa bil-Latin. Din hija koreografija kreata minn Liliana Barros, imnebħa minn desideri, enerġija qawwija u emozzjonijiet profondi. Żfin Malta 2025 tippreżenta wkoll koreografija And the Others, One Day We Played Outside for the Last Time, imħejja minn Simon Riccardi Zani. Tkomplija ta' serja li bdiet fl-2022. Tindaga traċċi ta' dawk li nħallu warajna, in-nies, il-ħolm u l-pajsaġġi.
So for me, I'm really fascinated by the kind of virtuosic potential of the body, so what the body can do, and also really interested in the poetry of movement, what movement can say, and sometimes that can be really simple and sometimes it can be incredibly complex. And this production is a mixed bill of work by different choreographers.
Fil-produzzjonijiet ser jieħdu sem 10 żeffina professjonali membri tal-Kumpanija Nazzjonali Żfin Malta u 2 apprentisti.